Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on Infinix Note 30. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Chrome, then click on the arrow pointing up or three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Inside we have password manager, and make sure that your password manager is offered to save passwords. Now to actually save any passwords we'll need to open any website that we can log into. I'm gonna go with Facebook. Enter your credentials. I'm gonna enter random password, click on login. Here you will see this pop-up save password, click on it to save it, and now move on to the settings and then password manager again. Here you'll find all of the passwords that you saved. You can click on them to enter the settings for it, but first you will need to set up the screen lock on your device. So click on that password, unlock your phone, and here you'll be able to see it using this I button. You can copy it. Also there's option to edit that password. So click on edit and you can enter a new one as well as the username. Save it afterwards. In case you want to delete that password from the list, then simply click on delete and then confirm it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.